The future is yet to be determined.
That's the reason why we have to be ready, we have to be prepared.
But it's never enough to be just street smart.
It pays to be
Money-wise. Hello there, everyone, especially to you, Money Wiser. Hi there, Chinky.
Hi there, Tintin, and all the people who are following Moneywise.
It's another half hour of financial literacy only here on Money Wise.
And yes, that is our advocacy in our show to really help people to become financial literate and debt-free. At the same time, we want to share our personal experience on how you can also handle your personal finance.
At ito na nga, buena mano natin ngayong episode na ito para sa ating Show Me the Money ay isang video question mula sa isang estudyante mula sa Cebu.
Ako po si Clarence Lim, student from Cebu. What is your advice for students who are aiming to become wealthy?
Ay, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan, Clarence. Very important, Clarence, no? Ang unang kailangan mong gawin is to really finish your education. Education is key for financial success. Financial literacy is number one. That's the reason why I want to encourage people, especially you, Clarence, learn before you earn. That's the first. Second thing that you need to do is also learn by doing. Pag natuto ka na, kailangan practice. While you are studying, very, very important na kailangan po, mag-trial ka rin mag-business without compromising your study. And the third thing that you need to do is also very important. Find your passion. What is one thing that you love to do? Even if people are not going to pay you to do something, you are still willing to do it.
To love what you do
Yes,
first,
oo.
secondary na lang na kung kikita ka pa doon sa ginagawa mong mahal na mahal mo. Oo.
Exactly.
Ako naman, Clarence, thank you for your question. No? Nakaka-relate ako sa kanya kasi like Clarence, estudyante pa lang ako, mahilig na ako mag-business. Di ba naikwento ko nga sa'yo, grade 1 pa lang ako. Nagbebenta ko ng Voltes 5 stickers, pinaparentahan ko yung Archie Comics Digest ko. Hindi yung Game & Watch ko, alam ko, mahal yung battery. Pinaparentahan ko yan by the hour.
Ganun ba,
Estudyante pa lang
ganun
ako.
ba, ganun pa kagipit ang pangailangan mo?
Hindi.
No?
Nakita ko lang kung paano pinaghirapan ng mami ko
Yes.
at daddy ko kung pagbili ng Game & Watch, pagbili ng battery, pagbili ng Archie Comics Digest. So, nadala ko yun hanggang college. So, yung college, yung binibenta ko naman brownies. Ako nagbe-bake, binibenta ko. Tapos sa Divisoria, bibili ako ng pantali ng buhok. Mura lang sa Divisoria, 5 piso. Pagdating sa UP, dadaling ko yung pantali, bebenta ko ng 10 piso. So by the end of the day, ubus na yung mga pantali ng buhok. So maliit lang naman yung kita, pero nandun yung entrepreneurial spirit as a student. At hindi ko napabayaan din yung pag-aaral ko. Natutuwa ako para sa iyo kasi estudyante ka pa lang, nandun na yung desire para kumita at tama ka, makatulong sa kanyang pamilya.
As you can see, Clarence, ang mahalaga rin, aside from yun nga selling, one thing that you can also get involved, kung wala ka masyadong puhunan, is bring in your sweat equity. When you say sweat equity, ano yung alam mong gawin? You sell your capability and talents at magkakapera ka.
Tama.
Okay.
Yun ang sinasabi mo na wala ka talagang puhunan dahil wala kang ilalabas na pera kasi God-given talents yan sa'yo, di ba? Gagamitin mo lang para kumita ng pera. And at the end, pay it forward, Clarence. Ayun. So,
Yes.
daghang salamat sa'yo, Clarence. Sana nagustuhan mo yung payo namin.
Trending ka na that you are called Ninang Dab. Oo.
Be money wise at a young age. You really have to invest on what you think has a long-term effect on yourself, on your family, and your security of the future.